Saxon Course 2, Lesson 120 is on graphing nonlinear equations. So I want to graph y equals x squared. If I was to make a function table, I would have the x, y, and then my xy coordinates. Okay, so if x equals 0, y would be 0. So that would be point 0, 0. If x equals 1, y would equal 1. So that would be point 1, 1. Okay, then it would be 2 and 4, point 2, 4. And then 3 and 9, so it would be 3, 9. Okay, if I was to graph that, I would start with 0, 0 here. Then I would go 1, 1, 2, 4, and then 3, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9 up here. Okay, so this is the first half of the graph. But I also have negative numbers. So I need to figure out what the negative numbers would be. So again, I'll do another graph, another function table. With x and y. Okay, so if x equaled negative 1, y would equal 1, because negative 1 squared is equal to 1. So I'd have negative 1, 1. If x was negative 2, y would be positive 4. So it'd be negative 2, positive 4. Okay, negative 3 would be positive 9, negative 3, 9. So if I drew this part, again I would start at 0, 0. And then it would be negative 1, 1, negative 2, 4, and negative 3, 9. So my entire graph actually looks like a U. Okay? So this one, y equals 6 over x. Now this one's kind of hard to draw, so I went ahead and put the graph in. And so, because you'd have to do positive and negative numbers. And so when you graphed it, it would look like this, because if x equaled 1, y would be 6. X was 2, 3, okay, and then if x was negative 1, y would be negative 6. So this graph has two arcs that will never cross. Okay, and that's it for this lesson.